Last option, how to assign a value to a variable, is by using command substitution. Here we are storing output of system command into variable. We have two ways how to do that. First one is by using $sign and command enclosed in brackets. Second one is to enclose system command into backwards apostrophes. Now let's write some script to practice this option. I will create script called command subs.sh. On the first line, start with shebang, bin bash. Let's create variable called current directory and assign to it output of pwd command. On the next line, we can print script is run from $sign current directory. Now save the file and quit the editor. We need to change execute permission. And now we can run the script. And it works well. Script is run from and the location from which the script was run. Now let's change the script a little bit. We will get rid of parentheses and instead we will use backward apostrophes, which is another option how to save command output to a variable. Save the file and run it. Yes, the result is same as in previous example. Great. The great command substitution example from the real world can be time measurement. We sometimes might want to know how much time is taken by some section of commands. So let's make such a script. Start with shebang, bin bash, then we can, for the better readability, type command start time measurement from here. Now we will store Unix time into variable start. And of course, we need to use command substitution here. By appending +%s to date command, we converting date into a Unix time. If you don't know what Unix time is, it is a system for describing a point in time, defined as the numbers of seconds that have elapsed since 1st January 1970. What is most important here, this time is represented by one number, so we can easily do difference between two Unix time. We can again store output of pwd command into variable called current directory. But because this command won't take much time, we can use command sleep, which will make sure that program will be paused for specific time of seconds, in our case 2 seconds. Now we can create the variable called end and store Unix time in it also. Now let's type some command and time measurement. Let's also create variable called difference and store in it the difference between end and start. Don't pay much attention on how to do maths with variables, just do the same as me. We will cover maths in Bash in another section. Pay attention to that spaces between parentheses and the variables. Now we can write time elapsed and print the output, the value of difference variable. So script is done, we can save it, and we can run it. Grant the execute permission for that file, and run it. Great, we can see time elapsed 2 seconds. Amazing. In the same way, you can easily measure how much time does it take to copy all files of some directory into another location. You would just replace the slip command we have just used as an example with command for copying files.